Oh yes, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master, and I go by the names of Maurice, the Crochet Master on my personal account, that is Instagram. And still, you can follow Hair Zipper on Instagram for more pictures, so that we get in touch. Those ones who would want to chat with me on my personal Instagram, just follow Maurice, the Crochet Master. Yes, welcome back, and we are still doing the new hairstyles, those ones that you don't know and you will need to know by listening and learning. So we're going to be seeing on how to do the junky curl. I told you this is a very it is one of the best crochet so far, since it is protective and very light. So as we're doing crochets, we all know that what we're supposed to do. The first step is we need to first know the shape of the corners, the size of the corners we are supposed to do for the particular crochet, because sometimes this is what always break people's hair, and you find someone is talking about crochets being very bad and painful, or like crochets they break hair. But those ones comes to people who don't understand the right corners on the right crochet. So I would advise that we should always first know the corners that we're supposed to do for the particular crochets. So today we are doing the junky curl, and I've done it. We have done it in the puff way. So if something is done in a puff way, that means that crochet can be held a puff, and still you can do it a side way. And not only a side way, sometimes we do a side way, a middle way, or holding a puff, and you find it looking very perfect. And also it looks natural, like it looks like it's plated from one, not like a crochet if it is held. Yes, so that's why I always advise you guys to first see the type of a crochet, the type of a corners you're supposed to do for the particular crochet. So the junky curl, this is how it's supposed to be plaited, and you can see how they're rolling it. I know this is somehow going to be a bit tricky for you. Why we plait it like this is that we don't want it to show that it's twisted. Yes, it comes when it looks like a dread. No, not even a dread, but it comes looking different. You understand? So it's not like doing the twisting, no way. It just looking that way. You find it looking more natural. So this is how we do plait it. So if you want to learn, you can just see how she moved the hands. Yes, and you can also do it as well. Very simple, just like that. You see how it goes, just like that. And I would like to welcome all the return subscribers, and please, if it's your first time, make a point of clicking on that red button and ring the bell. Yes, share and comment something that you would want me to change, or that you'd want me to do for you, or maybe you can tell me where you're watching me from. So when you're done with that, I would like to show you that this hairstyle is very nice and lovely. It is nice, light, yes, and it can last longer. It lasts from 2 to 3 months and very protective. So that means this hair is very lovely. Yes, as we're trying to proceed with twisting, people used. Like a lot of people ask me the material that I always use, and I tell them Afro Kinky. What I would say, even if you have any Afro Kinky that is for hot water, you can still achieve this. Yes, very simple. Any Afro Kink that you have in that is for hot water, you can still have this. Yes, so when we're done with that, remember what we always do is to palm rod. And palm rodding, I told you this one, you just have to follow the steps. Yes, you follow the steps of your palm rodding, because it's not like you just come and palm rod it anyhow. If you palm rod it badly, that means the outcome also is not going to be lovely. So you just have to be very careful so that you do something that is very nice and perfect. You can see how we have arranged the curls. You understand? Now you can see how I've tried to arrange them, and trust me, you can also do it, because they're in different palm rods. There are those ones that are very big, and those ones which are very small. So I'm choosing the small one, and you can see how it looks very, very perfectly. So after, when you're done with that, you just come with your hot water so that you can dip these curls inside. But remember, you have to be very, very careful, very careful, because this is hot water, and any mistake that you do, it might cause a problem. Yes, might cause a problem, very. So that's why you should be very careful while doing that. Yes, you understand? So this is how it is. Very you just have to be very careful. And this is it. Like, when you're done with that, you just have to remove the palm rod, and after, you're good to go. Me, I just love it. Yes, and those ones, if you didn't watch my previous video, I was trying to show you how you can do this junky curl. Yes, still you can go and follow it for more information about the junky curl. So for now, I'm going to sign out, but you can see how it is going to look. For now, let me sign out. Bye bye. See you guys in my next video. And I